हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल हब ऑफ नॉलेज मैक पे। दोस्तों आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा हाउ टू मेक रीवर्क प्रोसीजर। फ्रेंड्स, रीवर्क प्रोसीजर इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, देन यू मस्ट नो हाउ टू मेक रीवर्क प्रोसीजर फॉर कन्फर्मिंग एनसी पार्ट इनटू ओके पार्ट। दोस्तों, अगर आप किसी कारणवश डिग्री डिप्लोमा कंप्लीट होने के बाद जॉब नहीं कर पाते हैं और अपने करियर में पिछड़ रहे हैं, तो आप हमारे ट्रेनिंग सेंटर को ज्वाइन करने के बाद आप अपने बीते हुए समय को एक्सपीरियंस में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं और अपने करियर को रीस्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। दिस इज द टाइटल ऑफ पार्ट रीवर्क प्रोसीजर। हेयर डॉक्यूमेंट नंबर, रिवीजन नंबर, डेट, हेयर प्रोसेस नेम, पार्ट रीवर्क प्रोसीजर, पर्पस टू रीवर्क द एनसी पार्ट, स्कोप एप्लीकेबल टू ऑल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस, process owner, head QA, master list of records. Here record numbers that you need to maintain during rework procedure, revision number, revision date and record name, retention period, disposal authority. Here part rework procedure, serial number, first input activity, identify the reworkable part from in process and final stage. Output will be reworkable parts. Responsibility operator / inspector. Checkpoint identify the reworkable part from all operations during production. And document, it will be free of document. Frequency is during production. Store all reworkable parts in yellow bin provided in respective shop floor. Output will be yellow bin and responsibility operator inspectors. And checkpoint collect all reworkable part in yellow bin with marking on all parts. Frequency during production. Third input activity will be move the yellow bin to the reworkable area and responsibility is operator and inspector. Checkpoint send the yellow bins every day in rework area and inform to the concerned person. Fourth, responsibility concerned functional person. Before start the rework, check the rework part quantity and make record. Document rework record. This is the rework record, format number MSF RW01. Frequency will be every day. Fourth input activity, record all the parts to be reworked and maintain the record. Output rework record. Next, fifth one, input activity, rework the part as per work instruction and move the reworked part to respective area. Output reworked part and responsibility concerned functional person. Checkpoint before start the rework, read the rework instructions and start rework as per instructions. Document of rework instruction is MSF RWWI02. Frequency is same every day. And here decision, sixth input activity, is reworked part okay or not? If yes, then cross verify the parts. Output will be reworked part and responsibility quality supervisor. Checkpoint verify the quality of reworked part as per final inspection standard before dispatch. For traceability of rework part will be linked with invoice number. Inform the customer if required. And reference document is pre-dispatch inspection report MSF QA04. If reworked part not okay, then if reworked part NG, then put in red bin with identification tag. Output will be reject part record. Output will be reject part record and responsibility concerned functional person. Checkpoint if reworked part found NG after rework and make record in rework report. Rework record format number is MSF RW01. Frequency is same every day. Next, 10th input activity, dispose the reject part in scrap area. Output disposition. Responsibility concerned functional person. Checkpoint dispose all NC part in scrap after getting signature from concerned head. Document will be same, frequency is same. So friend, this is the rework part procedure. Friends, if you need to get knowledge for making procedures, quality manuals and documents related to IATF or QMS, you can join IATF training from Hub of Knowledge Mac Training Center. It will be provided with complete documented knowledge as mentioned in clause wise in IATF standard. Friends, if you join our complete advanced training course as shown in template, then job guarantee is 100% after completion of training course. If any guys interested, can contact on the number given on screen. Friends, we provide industrial documentation technical training for improving smart skills to get good job opportunities by beat the competition.
100%